Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So today's video viewers, I will show you for crafts ideas. So friends, I hope you enjoy my videos. So friends, let's start today's video. So viewers, the colorful flower waters is made from recycled material instead of throwing away empty eggs. Cartons, they have been transformed into bright and cheerful flowers. This project is fun for children and it is also a great way to protect the environment by recycling. One of the best things about this craft is that almost anyone can make it. You can only need an empty egg carton, scissors, paint glue or cardboard ring, and some cream paper for the leaves. A beautiful decoration with the little imagination. Crafting is not just about making decoration. It is also a wonderful way to relax and express creative and viewers. The flower pot is perfect for decorating a front or a bedroom, a wall, a classroom, or even a party. It can welcome guests with bright color and handmade touch. And viewers, so friends, you can also change the design for different seasons. In spring, use soft pastel color. In summer, choose red shades like orange, yellow, and blue. And viewers, during autumn, paint the flower in red, brown, and gold. For winter holiday, add white flower with silver and gold and silver. And friends, I hope you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon